second part. Here's the first part again. Now for the second part, we finished forward on the last bit, so that's a forward. Now we're going to come back with our bow without playing anything, and we're going to come forward again and do the following. So forward, no fingers on the strings. On the back, as we go back, we're going to drop the first finger on the middle chord and the zill, so the diplocordía, and the fourth finger is only on the zill. So we're going to go forward, and on the way back we're going to drop these two fingers and do this. And we're going to do it twice, so finishing backward, forward, back. Now we can jump a bit on this, so we can jump both fingers. But you can just do that for a start. Now the next bit is, so it's forward and trembling the second finger on the zill chord. So now the next bit is, we're going to actually, so it's a half bow movement, so we're not going to go right through, we're going to go, now for the next bit, and we're still going to keep going forward, so this is forward bow movement. We're going to swap to the other side of the litter, and we're going to do the following. So this is all in one forward bow movement, so tremble, and we're going to come back on the first finger, and it's going to be on the diplocordía, so double chorded. It's the gapan side, middle chord and gapan, and we're just going to have one finger on it. So it's forward, tremble, then swivel the litter and drop the first finger. So it's just one bow movement. Continuing on. So that's a forward movement. That's forward. Backward, we're going to do the same as the earlier bit. Drop the second finger, the diplocordía, and the fourth finger is just a middle chord. So that's backward. So double chord, trembling the middle chord. So it's from the start. The next bit is so the forward movement is with the second finger on double chorded on the gapan side, so middle chord gapan, that's forward. Then we're going to go with the first finger, so it's twice we're going to go on the first finger, so it's forward, finishing forward, so it's forward, forward. Now we're going to go to the other side again. So we're going to swivel each way, so forward. Now we're going to go to the zill side with no fingers. Come back to the gapan side. I hope you can see the swivel, so it's and then we're going to finish off with and then we can do that again. And then we can start from the start again. And that's it for the second part.